Anyone who don't prioritize your needs is a red flag. Hey guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about red flags. Let's get into the video. See, when you get in a relationship, you think that my partner will take care of my happiness, my needs, and he or she will look after me. But when someone don't do this, someone don't even notice your small things, your small happiness, and they don't care about it, that person doesn't love you because they don't even care about your happiness. So this is the biggest red flag which lots of people try to ignore. We don't even try to even notice these things. They say we love you and they don't prove it, and all we remember is, yeah, that person says that he or she loves me, so they must be, and they must be busy, and that's why they didn't make it. This is the biggest red flag. The person who really loves you will do it for you no matter what. A person who is disrespecting you publicly, making jokes about you, but in a private, all they say that they love you, they respect you, they care for you, and you are everything to them. But you see a different version, totally different version of that person in the public, with friends, with colleagues, and with the relatives. All they do make jokes about you and your clothes, your hair, your body, and the way you live. So do you really think that that person really respect you, and they care for your social image, and they care for your peace? See, when no one is watching, they will love you, they will do everything for you. But the moment you step out and there is a lot of public, that person is not even holding your hand. They think it's awkward. Holding a person's hand that you are saying you love so much, how is it awkward? The person you love so much, you care for them so much, you will try to protect that person from everything. Then how you cannot hold that person's hand? The person who truly loves you, truly admires you, will do everything to make you happy. No matter what you are asking for, they will do everything because they care for you. Your needs are their first priority. This is how real loves work. If your needs are not their first priority, they don't love you. They don't care for you. See, your day is not going good. You're feeling a little sad. So as your partner. But the person who truly love you will do everything to not you to get know that they are also feeling sad, and they will do everything to make you happy. This is how real loves work. And same as the different person, same as the other partner also. If they both are feeling sad and they know that our partner is also sad, they will do everything to make their partner happy and try their best that my partner will know that I will do everything that he wouldn't know that I'm also sad. My day is also not going very good, and they will do everything to make their partner happy. This is how real loves work because they are putting their partner's happiness first before theirs. See, I know this is not always 10 10. Sometimes it's 5, sometimes it's 4, sometimes it's 9, sometimes it's even 2. But that's okay. But showing up every time when your partner needs you, telling them, and prove them continuously that you love them and you are there for them. This is how you show your love. And if someone is not giving a shit about your feelings, that person is the biggest red flag. You know what, these type of people will always try to take sympathy. They will always play as a victim. you know, that you don't care about my feelings, you don't care about my needs, and you know, you don't have time for me, I'm feeling so lonely and this and that. But they don't care about what you are going through. Your happiness, your sadness is not bothering them at all. They don't know what is going on in your life, and they, as a victim, they try to tell you that you don't care about what is going on in their life. This is how red flags people work. See, being there for your partner, take care of their needs, tell them you love them, and you know, get them flour, get them chocolates, you know, go on dates is a very basic needs of a relationship. And if someone is not doing that, just and giving you excuses, and also playing victim card, and still you are in a relationship, just because at the end of the day all they say is I love you. Do you think that that word I love you even means something? Love doesn't work by saying. Love needs action. So if someone is not continuously showing you that they love you, that means that person really doesn't love you, and you need to accept that. A person who truly loves you will do everything to let you know that they love you. And if someone is not doing everything to let you know that he or she love you, that person doesn't love you. It is harsh, I know, but it is also truth. Lots of people I've seen going through this. Lots of people. They are not ready to accept that their partner doesn't love you. I was also in the situation same as what we do. Our love take control of ourselves, and we are not ready to see the reality. We don't see the reality. Somewhere in our heart we know that this person doesn't love me, and their actions clearly shows that they don't love us, but still because of our love we are not ready to accept it. And when you will know, when someone who truly loves you will come in your life, and that person will do everything for you, and that is when you realize, oh my god, this is what loves look like. You will know. So don't be in a situation, don't be where people don't treat you like you are everything to them, when people don't treat you like they care for you and love you. Don't be there. Don't be there, because they don't love you. They don't love you, and you should not be with the person who don't love you, who don't respect you, who don't care for you. You should be surround yourself with people who love you, care for you. See, when you love someone, love became automatically your first priority when you are in love. And if love is your not first priority, you are not in love. And that's truth. If you know that you are not the first priority of your partner, they don't love you. They just simply don't love you. If you are first priority to them, your happiness, your needs is first priority to them, they love you. And if you're not, leave, honey. You are not for that person. He is not the one, she is not the one. Move on. And these type of red flags also try to manipulate you. They try to tell you always, they will tell you always that they love you, but they never show that. And when you start to do things for yourself, they will play the blame game. They will blame you to not putting efforts in a relationship. They will express all their emotions with lots of meaningless words. They will tell you that you are the bad person, you are the bad one who is not putting efforts in a relationship, but deep down in their heart they know what they are doing. But you, as stupid in love, will take all the blame and all of a sudden start to do everything from the beginning. And again the pattern is so same. Again they will suck your energy, and they will do nothing for you because they don't love you simply. And you, stupid as in love, will do everything for them, and the pattern is so same, so similar. And what you need to do is leave, because someone who really loves you will do everything for you, really everything for you, whatever you say, whatever you ask. The person who truly loves you do everything for your happiness, because your happiness is their only source of happiness. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you. Bye. Bye.